This is Alan from Businesses to Start on a Shoestring, and I'm going to talk to you today about how to interest investors in raising finance for your business. So you've got a business, you've got a great idea that you want to launch into the marketplace, you've decided on a niche for yourself, you've got customers, you've got demand for your products or services, and you find that you need working capital. This could be for premises, or it could be for equipment, it could be for operating costs, or to fund cash flow, i.e. until you get paid. But essentially, what you're looking for is investors to invest in your business. So you need to assess essentially why would an investor invest in your business. So you need to assess your business's strengths and weaknesses, identify your company's unique advantages and areas where improvement is needed. Because if your organization appears to be weak, if the idea looks as if it will fail, then investors won't actually invest in you. You might be the smartest person on earth, but if the idea is a little bit flaky, people won't invest. So in order to be sure about your market and your clients, you need to conduct thorough market research, understand your target audience, industry trends and competitive landscape. So ideally you want a niche where you can get a foothold in the marketplace. You don't want to be going into an area of the marketplace that's already overcrowded and trying to hack out a portion of the marketplace by cutting your prices. It's going to end in disaster. So you need to identify your unique selling proposition, your USP, and clearly articulate what sets your business apart from others. You need to analyze your competition, study your competitors' strategies, and identify opportunities to differentiate yourself. You need to create a compelling business plan. A well-crafted business plan is essential for attracting investors. They're not interested in the emotion. They may like you personally, but if the figures don't stack up, then it's not going to go very far. So you need to structure your business plan effectively, organize your plan into clear sections, such as an executive summary, market analysis, team, financial projections for sales, revenue, profit, and the relevant appendices to suit those highlight figures. You need to highlight your business model and revenue streams, explain how your business generates revenue and how it plans to scale. You need to detail your market strategy, outline your plans for reaching your target market and achieving growth. You need to project financial performance and growth. You need to present realistic financial projections, including revenue, expenses and profitability. And you can emphasize your team's expertise, showcase the skills and experience of your team members and their ability to execute your business plan. Your people are your greatest asset, so you need to identify and project how they are unique. So you need to get investors, and how do you find them? You'll find them by networking. So you need to go to business networking events. You can go to angel investors. There are websites which have angel investors, venture capitalists, etc. You need to research and connect with investors who align with your industry and investment preferences. You need to craft an elevator pitch, develop a concise and compelling pitch that highlights your business's key points. And utilizing online platforms and networking events, attend industry conferences, join online investment communities, and leverage social media to connect with investors. You need to build long-term relationships through communication and trust, fostering long-term relationships with investors by maintaining open communications and demonstrating trustworthiness. This will ensure that they stay with you for a long time. If you give the return that you've promised, then why wouldn't they reinvest with you? You should leverage mentorship and advisory boards, seek guidance from experienced investors, entrepreneurs and industry experts. Showcase your business's potential in securing investment. Once you've built relationships with potential investors, it's time to present your business in the best possible light. Prepare an impactful investor pitch deck. Create a visually appealing and informative presentation that tells your business story. Present case studies and testimonials. Share evidence of your business's success, such as customer testimonials or positive financial results. Conduct effective meetings with investors. Prepare for meetings by anticipating questions and practicing your pitch. Negotiate terms and securing deals. Be prepared to discuss investment terms and negotiate favorable conditions. And follow up and maintain investor relations. Continue to nurture relationships with investors after securing funding. So by following these steps and demonstrating your business's potential, you can increase your chances of attracting investors and securing the funding you need to grow your business. If you'd like to discuss any aspects of how to attract investors for your business, do not hesitate to call me. That's Alan on 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me on calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.